Hey guys, welcome back to Nice Junk. Well, today we've been reinforcing the trailer and that kind of stuff, and yeah, let's just get at it. Hello, so we're reinforcing the trailer, and I've been using scrap metal, just anything scrap. So I use bed frames and transformer parts to create these brackets for all the metal to connect and bolt together. I'm doing this because first, I can't weld, and second of all, it's cheap, and I'm a very cheap guy. So sliding over here, another piece of transformer. That bed rail is connected to the two, creating lateral stiffness and a place to mount my 3/4 inch plate for the mini crane. This is a 3/4 inch plate that I'm going to be installing for the crane, and I'll tell you, that was quite the adventure cutting that in half. Again, it was free, it got in a scrap pickup, and I just thought, yeah, might as well use this stuff. So I'm using PL Premium to actually glue that 3/4 inch plate to the bed rails and the transformer material. The reason I'm just gluing it, not going down and getting it welded, is because basically all that 3/4 inch plate's going to be is a washer for my grade 8 bolts and nuts. So I'm going to lay the two pieces of 3/4 inch plate right there. And first of all, make sure your surface is nice and clean. Open up the PL Premium, squeeze out a nice bead. Oh, look at that, I got a hole in my pants. Well, I guess you guys didn't need to see that. Anyways, so you put on both pieces, and then I'm going to lay that down and let it sit for 24 hours. This stuff is strong. They're actually building cars out of panel bond, which is the exact same thing as PL Premium. And really, by the time we put the 2x8s over top of the that metal, it's not going to move whatsoever. The most we're going to be lifting is 1,400 pounds. More than 1,400 pounds. I'm going to be rethinking how I'm going to pick this up. So that is my idea. So here we go. This is the cherry picker that I got off of Amazon. It's an 1,100 pound folding crane. It's got a place for a snatch block, so you could increase that easily to 2,000 pounds. And it comes with a 3,500 pound electric winch. I thought I'd go with a winch that was a little bit stronger, because you know me, I'm going to lift more if I can. The box, beautiful wood and cardboard box. Really impressed with that. There she is. So the reason why I'm opening this up, I'm not installing it yet, but I need that base plate so I know where to drill my holes. So This is the piece I need. Wow, I'm really impressed with the welding. Everybody was complaining about the welding, but take a look. And we'll bring this. Look at nice full welds. Same thing with here. Right there. Even this piece here. Nice full weld. And then a full weld there at that plate. This plate, they just put, let's see, this plate here, they only put a 2-inch weld there. I'm sure it'll be fine. I might get my buddy to zip that the next time I bring it over. But definitely that black piece is the part I needed. So this is the box full of, they call it, I don't know, nothing. It's got the destruction manual. Comes with a wired remote. I actually bought a separate remote that's wireless, so we probably won't be using that. A snatch block. The handle for the rotator thingy. So this is what loosens it and unloosens it, so you can go 360. And then this is what I needed, was the bolt for mounting the crane. I'm going to be tossing these away. I just wanted them for size. I'm going to be buying some grade 8 bolts and not Chinese ones, because I don't need bad stuff happening. Now, 3,500 pound truck cranes accessories. Well, we know whatever Chinese school this fellow went to doesn't know grammar. Wrong tool, right job. And then here is the 3,500 pound electric winch heavy duty series. Yeah, I'm sure. Supposedly it comes with 49 feet of cable. There's a hook. I guess that's all we need, except for a battery. So guys, these holes have been a bear. Broken all kinds of drill bits, some on the ground, and I'm really having to step this. And I was talking to HH last night, and he says I should actually be recording my misery for you guys. So here we go. Now my other buddy said maybe you should use your no good step bit and see if that helps. I doubt it will. I've even got drill bits broken inside, which is awesome. Not really. Yeah, that's no fun. Probably should get this out of your way so you can see. Yeah, it's still sharp. I'm going to try
I'm going to try and jam this thing loose. Oh, I just pushed it in further. That's awesome. Let's see. Oh. Might as well fill it up with some juice. I guess what I'm hoping is if I can open up this hole big enough, maybe I can get it. Maybe I can grab it. I doubt it. I think it's just going to be a bear. These two holes took me 3.5 hours. I think I charged the batteries like 6 times. Let's try and pick this out. Oh, never see that again. Now, this bit here is a bear. Anything gets that out, this will. Yeah, this is fun. I wonder. Yeah. Not working. Maybe I gotta go down to a smaller bit again. Oh. Really? That's awesome. It's pretty dull. So what I did is I drilled a small hole beside the drill bit, another small hole behind it, and kept on making it bigger and bigger. We're just about to be going through, so I thought I'd bring you back. Or I thought we were just about to go through. And just like that, 2.5 hours later, one hole done. One more to go.
16 years later.
Yay!
Hey guys, so come to find out, that was hardened steel. Yeah, if I would have known, well, probably not, because I'm not a metal guy, I'm a wood guy. So, anyways, yeah, my buddy told me that was hardened steel. That's why it took 8.5 hours to drill out 4 holes. 22 bits, 15 battery recharges. Ridiculous. So, in saying that, I lost probably close to 2 days of drilling holes. Because, you get into the, oh my god, I can't handle drilling anymore. And you go and have a break. And then you drill a little more, and then you... Plus it was 28, 30 degrees Celsius at the time. So we lost 2 days. We also lost a day because I'm leaving tomorrow morning to go on a much needed mini vacation. Yeah, only for the weekend. I'll be back on Sunday, but we really need this vacation. So me and Mrs. Junk were going to pack up the motorhome and head down to a car show and bring some friends and stuff. Anyways, getting back to the hardened steel. So, there's several ways you could have done that. Mark the wood, or mark the metal, go over to your buddy's place, borrow his drill press, maybe only bust 11 bits. Or you could have just went over to the same buddy, the guy that told me about the hardened steel, give him $20 for his CO2, and he could have blasted holes in it with his cutting torch. But I hate bothering my buddies, right? Like, I really do. So, yeah, if you're going to do this, I would suggest go see your friend. Go see your gourd. He'll help you out. You might have to take some, poop and abuse, but it's worth it. So you don't spend 2 days drilling 4 holes. So, coming up, I'm going to show you what I won at the auction yesterday. Oh yeah, I lost time because of the auction as well. And this will give you a good idea of what's coming up next on Nice Junk in the future, because most of the items I bought were scrappable items. First of all, we won these slings and stuff for $16. That'll come handy with the trailer. Then we got this Milwaukee M18 ratchet and angle grinder. We know that's handy. Then we got an air conditioner compressor pump for $10. Another AC pump for $8. Then we got this other air conditioner compressor pump for $2. This one even comes with a rad. And then we've got this rooftop air conditioner for $2. Yes, $2. That thing's massive. Yeah. So that's it for this episode. I didn't get as much done as I wanted to, but hey, thought I'd give you guys an update. You get to see the auction stuff. You get to hear me whine about how tired I am. But hey, we'll see you next week, and I promise you, we're going to start working smarter and faster. Make sure to like, share, subscribe if you want to. I would appreciate it. It helps the channel. And that was some nice hard junk.